Hi viewers, welcome to Start Coding Tamil. This is your Divya. In this video, I'm going to explain a simple program which is called car. It's a car program which is used to show the details of the car. That is a simple example. But this program has all the features, okay? It included all the topics which I have taken before in the previous video. So all the things will be included in this simple program so that you can easily understand how to define a data type, how to create a method, and how to create an object, and also calling a method, passing the arguments and parameters. Everything will be covered in this simple program. So let's get started. Because I already made this program, so I'm going to explain line by line so that you can easily get this one. So let's get as soon as now. Now I'm defining a class that is called public. It's a modifier and it's a class. Okay, the class name will be car. I'm going to show the details of the car. What are the details will be? Car type. The type is like SUV, sports car, like that. Okay, so I'm declaring it as a string. Then the car brand. The car brand is like Honda, BMW, like that. It is also a string. Then the cost will be, I'm saving in a double data type. Okay, then the mileage, I'm saving it in string, and the model will be, that is 2014-15, the model will be in string. Here you have to, did you notice there is all the variables are declared as a private. Okay, here all these variables are declared private, so it's called instance variable. So if you create any other class, you can't access these data fields. For this, to access these data fields, I'm going to create a getter and setter for this, all those data fields. Okay, car type, car brand, car cost, car mileage, and car model. So now I'm going down. So I'm going down. Here you can find, see, the getter for all the instance variables and setter for all the instance data variables and data fields. So here I'm giving a get public string, it because here you know already, if I'm going to return something, okay, return, then I have to declare what is the return type. So it is going to return a string. That's why I'm declaring a string, and it will be like get car type. The type will be return, so return car type. So the next one is, I'm going to set a car type. So public, I'm not returning anything. So if I don't return anything, I will declare it as a void. Then it is, I'm declaring the method name as a set car type. Here I'm going to pass a, what is this? It's a parameter. Okay, I'm going to pass an argument, so it will comes here. So here it is a parameter. So string car type. So the car type, whatever you passing the argument, it will be here, and this parameter will be assigned to this car type. Here I'm declaring this, okay, to define, because here also giving I'm car type, and I also already have a data field that is car type. To get this data type, I'm putting this dot car type. Whatever I'm sending the argument, it has to be assigned to this car type. The same it is followed for the car brand. Okay, I'm just explain it again. So public, okay, so that it can be accessed by any other class outside. Okay, it should be within the same package, but it can be accessed outside. So public string, okay, it's a return type. What I'm going to return is a string, so that's why it's a string. Then the method name is get car brand, return car brand. Okay, it's going to return a string. The next one is public void set car brand string car brand. So I'm going to pass an argument as a car brand like BMW that will be comes and assigned to the car brand as a BMW. So the same thing will be followed for the get car cost and set car cost and get car mileage and set car mileage. Okay. Now I'm creating another class that is called car list. Here I'm going to define. So the first one, just find the first 4 lines. Okay. Public class car list. Then I'm calling the main method. Then I'm creating a car1 as an object. Car1 equal to new car of. To create a object, you have to use the new keyword, then only the object is created. Now I'm giving to access all the getter and setter, I have to use because it's a method, right? To access the method, I'm using a dot operator, car1 dot set car model of, it's a string, I'm giving 2014, car1 set car brand of BMW i8, okay, then car type is sports car and mileage, then car cost, I send it. Here all these strings are encoded by the double quotes and here it is a double, so I send this value as it is. Now I'm switching to the car class. Here I'm going to explain what is constructor. A constructor is a method which has the name as which has the same name as the class name. Okay. Public car of. Okay, it's a method constructor. The constructor is used to initialize the objects. Okay, even if you didn't mention any constructor, it automatically thinks there is a constructor. Okay, so that's why I'm creating an empty constructor with no arguments, and inside the body of that constructor I didn't initialize anything, so I just leave as it is. Okay, and also you can create a constructor with multiple parameters, like I'm giving here car type, car brand, car cost, car mileage and car model. So this is an example for the method with multiple parameters. So here whatever I'm giving as an argument, all the arguments will be assigned to their own field. If I'm sending car type, or the car type will be assigned to this dot car type. Okay, this particular object. Now I'm going to the car list. I'm creating another object that is car2 equal to new car of. I'm giving the arguments as it is because here the order should be the same like the method declaration. Here it's a type, so I'm giving SUV. The next one is brand. The next one is cost. And the next one is mileage, and finally the last one is model. It should be in this order because I'm defining the method in that order. That's why I'm passing the arguments in this order. Now finally I'm just creating a string. I want to show all the details. Okay, so to show that all the details, I have to use this object and I have to get all the types model. So I already have a method called get car type, get car brand, get car mileage, like that, so that it will return all the car type, car mileage, car cost, car model, car brand, everything. So here I'm just defining. So I want the type, so car1 dot get car type, and giving a space, I want to get the model, so I'm using the object. Okay, car1 is the object, and then you use the dot operator, then get car model. The next one is car1 dot get car brand, and in this I'm just concurrent joining all the uh, variables, okay, all the making all the strings to a single sentence or two sentences, okay. So that's why I'm getting all this into a single string. Show detail. I'm using a J option pan. So you know, already know J option pan. You can check in my previous video. So J option pan dot show message dialog of null. Okay, there is no parent component, and show detail. It's the string. So when I run this one, so you will get the a dialog box is appearing with a message like type car1 dot get car type, it's a sports car, and the model, brand, mileage, and the amount, cost of that car. So I declare I'm giving one all the arguments using the setters for the first type, for the first car. The second one, I'm giving all the argument using the constructor. So this is the differentiation for the setting up the methods and using the constructor. If you have any questions, please comment it. If you like this video, please thumbs up. Please subscribe to Start Coding Tamil. To get an automatic update, click the bell icon. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Thank you all.